非常教育是在做跟可持续相关的内容嘛，然后我觉得还挺好的，因为你们也做亲子方面的教育，所有的教育内容基本上都是跟可持续环保相关的。然后我们的WildWear的活动，还有一些环保的活动，也是可持续的理念，就觉得可以是合作一下亲子方面的活动。未来的话可以再一起探索一下看看。
So originally we wanted to do something about sustainability because it's a very important quality for us, and there are a lot of aspects that have to do with sustainability, right? So there are things like talking about using like a reusable water bottle, like getting rid of plastic, things like that. And because we wanted to work with Patagonia, and Patagonia is a very well-known company for doing their worn-wear campaign, we came up with the idea to focus on fast fashion. The idea of a workshop came about because I think this time of the year there's a lot of holidays coming up, and it's really nice to do things for families and to have kids and their parents work together. Often we have a lot of programs where we work with just students, which is great, but I think when we can extend it to a family, it really makes it a very special memory and experience. And so we wanted to do something where we could have it be both informative and fun, and they were able to learn something about this issue, this fast fashion issue, but also make it very experiential where they're able to learn by doing and have them come away with something that they've made and they can explain to others and share with others. We did a presentation about fast fashion, which was put on by myself and Bernice through WildChina, and we spoke all about the issue and explained exactly what fast fashion is, like what to look out for, how big of a problem it can be. And then Patagonia gave a speech about worn wear and how they can help contribute to this issue and focus on quality and making sure that they follow their slogan, you know, buy less, demand more. And then after that, we invited everyone to come over and we made some crafts out of a t-shirt that was recycled. So often with fast fashion, you know, because of the quality, not always can we recycle it or reuse it in the traditional way where we're donating it or bringing it to a place to be reused again as a garment. So we came up with the idea of turning that into a reusable tote bag for starters, because I think it's something that's really cool to make like your own bag with your hands, but also that also solves another issue of sustainability, which is like using less plastic bags, right? So when we go to the store, they can bring this thing that they've made and use that also. Because we wanted to try to use all parts of this garment where nothing went to waste, we took the sleeves of it and we turned it into a scented bag that you can make your home smell like festive for the holidays. So we used some rice, some dried orange peel, some cinnamon, some cloves, some essential oil, and did a little bit of sewing. So everyone was able to take their sleeves and sew the bottom of it and then put the rice and things inside and tie it up with a ribbon, and then it made this really beautiful little bag and pouch that would make everything smell nice at home. I think, yeah, for me today this was a great example of how we can work together to combat something that is very unsustainable and causes a lot of harm for the world. Like, so inspired by some of the things that the kids said today about how they thought we also could help fix this issue and what they knew about this already. That it was, for me, it was really inspiring, and I think, like, you know, that people often say like children are our future, but it's really, really cool to see that some of these things that are really important for the health of our world are being taught to kids, and they're able to use that and share that with others too.
我觉得这次活动还挺好的，也干货还挺多的，小朋友应该也收获很多。关键是老师带的非常的教学的整个过程非常的细心，还有印象很深的就是手工的环节。虽然说很困难，但是就是还是要迎接挑战，就是在手工方面的不放弃的精神也很可嘉。
我觉得还蛮契合圣诞主题的，然后之前也没有想过用衣服来做一些就是契合一些氛围主题的一些东西，一些小产品，对，觉得还挺开心。
就是香包和这个袋子，对，它是配 配成套的。
对，
就是其实，在我的小时候童年时代是有的，但是因为中国飞速的发展，现在的孩子很难再看到这个样子呈现了。谢谢你们给我们这个机会，让我的孩子这个重现了我小时候这个美好的手工制作的过程，这也是一种传承。
你今天做的对吗？你和妈妈一起做的吗？你自己做的？
妈妈在后面做了4个，
做了4个，哇，好。